So welcome guys in this tutorial series on search engine optimization. This course is going to be very interesting because in this tutorial series we are going to learn what is SEO and how can we rank our websites or mobile apps or even the products of e-commerce store. But first of all we should learn what is SEO and why should we learn SEO and what is the scope of SEO in today's world. And by the end of this course we will see how we can earn a decent amount of money through SEO skills. So without wasting any time, let's begin. And guys, if you don't know what is search engine optimization, all you have to do is just open up the browser and let's suppose I want to purchase some shoes. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply search for the shoes in my search results, and here you can see Google has returned me some results against the keyword shoes. And if you come down to the bottom of this page, here you can see we have total 10 pages against this single keyword, which is shoes. Now if you think for a moment, why Google is not showing all these links to the websites on the second page or third page or even the last page of this search results? Why Google is showing all these links on the first page? And even if you notice, Google is showing this link to the website www.shoes.com at the first priority of the search results, and Google is showing Wikipedia link on the third priority. Now think for a moment, why Google is not showing this Wikipedia link on the first priority or this shoes.com link on the last priority of this search result? This is where search engine optimization comes in. Google is ranking them according to their search engine optimization, and this is done by the Google algorithm, not by the employees in Google. Google has some crawlers, Google has some bots, and crawlers visit your website and crawlers analyze your websites, your content, your images, your written content, your stuff like this, and according to your content and SEO strategies and your backlinks and all those like domain ages, and these are some of the factors that Google crawlers notice in your website, and according to that analysis Google bots rank your websites in the search results. Now there are total 200 factors that Google crawlers notice. This is what Google claims. Google claims that there are almost 200 factors that Google bots considers in your website in order to rank the website, which may include your domain age of the website, your hosting services, your SEO keywords, your content, your images, and all these stuff like this. Okay, and we will learn each and everything in this course. Now if you notice the Google interface from back in 2010 or 11 or 2012, Google is not same as it used to be back in 2010 or 2011 or 2012. As time passing, Google is working hard day by day to improve the user experience on the search engine, because Google wants to enhance the user experience on Google. So whatever you search on the Google's priority is to give you result against every keyword. So if you see, I searched this keyword shoes and Google returned me this page along with these locations also. This is what Google wants. Google also wants to enhance the user experience day by day. So Google is ranking the websites according to their stuff, according to their content, and we are going to learn all those strategies and all those factors in this course, which are which Google crawlers notice, which Google crawlers analyze in your website in order to rank your website. And by the end of this course you will be able to rank your website on the first priority of the search results. Here you can see as in this search results we have the first priority is www.zappos.com, and by the end of this course you will be able to rank your website in the first priority of the search result. Now this can be anything like your mobile app, it can be your website, or if you have a e-commerce store you can rank your product. Like this is a e-commerce store and I searched for shoes, and here you can see this website has first priority on the search results. Or your website can be a blog type, and your mobile apps, you can rank anything, or you have your YouTube channel or Instagram pages or Facebook pages. By the end of this course we will be able to rank anything. Like we will be able to rank our YouTube channel, we will be able to rank our websites, whether it will be a blog site or e-commerce store or anything else, and we will be able to rank our mobile apps of any type, and we will be able to rank our Instagram pages. And there are also some other factors in SEO like keyword research, and there are many tools to help us in this SEO journey, and I will teach you each and everything how to use and how to manage and how to handle those tools. So if you want to learn all these skills, make sure to subscribe this channel. That's how you will be notified for the upcoming videos, and by that time, take care.